Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can delete all your tweets at once on X. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, you'll have to open the browser version of X and make sure that you are logged into your account just like this. You can see I am logged into my account. Then after that, you'll have to now add a third-party Chrome extensions. So in order to do that, here you'll have to click on this extension option right here. So after clicking on the extension option, here you'll have to now click on manage extension. So after doing that, here you'll have to now click on this menu bar that you can see right here. And then after that, you can see this Chrome Web Store option. Click on this option right here and open this browser. And from here, you have to now search for extensions. So simply click on the search bar and then start typing delete tweet. So after doing that, here you'll get a few of the third-party extension, but I'm going to use this one. You can use anyone that you like. I'm going to use this third one. Simply click on it and then open it. And then from here, you'll have to now add this to your Chrome. Simply click on this option, add to Chrome. And then click on add extension. So after doing that, here you can see we have successfully downloaded this extension. So now we can go back to the X browser right here. And then after opening it here, now I'm going to open my profile in order to see all of the tweets. Simply click on your profile right here and then click on profile. And if you scroll down, here you can see these are the tweets that I have posted. So in order to delete it, you'll have to now click on the extension icon again. So after clicking on it, here you can see this is the extension that we previously downloaded. So simply click on it. So after doing that, here you'll get this pop-up, and in here you can see this is your account. If you scroll down a bit in this pop-up, you'll get the option of load post. If you click on the load post, you'll get this option view post after a few seconds. So simply click on view post. And then in here you can see these are all of the tweets that you have done. So in here, you'll have to now click on select all in order to delete all of your tweets at once. So click on it. And then here you can see all of your tweets has been selected just like this. And now then click on delete selected. And in here, you can see it says that your posts are about to be permanently deleted. So if you are okay with this, simply click on delete posts. And just like this, here you can see we have successfully deleted. If we simply cross this pop-up, in here simply cross this pop-up again and reload the web page. Here you can see we are back on our profile. If we scroll down here, you can see we have no tweets left. And just like this, you can delete all your tweets at once on X. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.